Honda certified mechanic. I got in a minivan, a Honda Odyssey minivan. In Maryland, we have a disability placard, right? It's blue, and it goes up in the window, right? It's blue. It's always blue. Until I got in this van the other day at work, and I saw that there was a red one. I got questions. You guys think that red is more crippled? Yeah, I imagine that like maybe is not more crippled. I'm sure it's not more crippled. How could you be? Maybe somebody was like, nah, bud, you ain't gonna give me that color. I'll wait. Sue woo. Okay.